Write a program to calculate area of rectangle. Define the class public class rect area. By specifying public keyword, you can make your class accessible outside the package from anywhere on the system. It is not mandatory to write public keyword because this is a standalone program. Class keyword, our class name is rect area. Open the curly bracket, close the curly bracket. Define the main method. Signature for main method is public static void main. It takes string array as a parameter. Open the curly bracket, close the curly bracket. Here we have hard-coded the values. You can also write the code to accept length and breadth from the user. Watch previous videos for accepting user entered data. We have declared three variables, variable L, B and area of type double. So as soon as this statement is executed, memory is allocated for the variable inside the stack memory area. Memory is allocated for variable L and we have assigned value 34.2. This is stored in here. Then memory is allocated for variable B. We have assigned value 46.8. This is stored in here. Also memory is allocated for variable area. Yet we have not assigned any value to this variable. Next statement is the formula area equal to L into B. So value of L is retrieved from the memory, that is 34.2, multiplied by value of B is retrieved from the memory, that is 46.8, which is equal to 1600.56. So this value is stored in variable area over here, and the next statement is executed. We are printing the output to the console. To print anything to the console, we need to invoke println method. Println method belongs to the out object, and out object is defined inside system class. That is why we need to say system.out.println. Area of rectangle is space. All this is printed to the console, and the variable area will retrieve value from the memory. This is printed to the console. This is how you get the output.